Welcome to 3061 Railroad Vine Court in Fairfax, Virginia. As we approach this lovely home at the end of a pipe stem on a cul-de-sac, we enter the door and voila, we find this gorgeous split level with hardwood stairs and hardwood floors throughout the main level. To our left is a gorgeous separate dining room with custom built-ins and a fabulous new kitchen with granite countertops, beautiful tile backsplash, and stainless appliances. Undermount countertop lights and nice, very nice upper level glass cabinets. Delight. As you can see, the dining room has a beautiful chandelier, custom built-in and bench seating, which opens wide up to the kitchen and the breakfast nook with bench seating, custom moldings, lovely large windows, and it opens to a fabulous new great room with cathedral ceilings, hardwood floors, a French door out to the deck, sliding glass doors, a big bay window, and loads of natural light. The cathedral ceilings and the space of this addition is fabulous for huge family entertaining, an additional rec room, fabulous living space. Just off the kitchen is a very large either pantry or linen closet, and as we travel down the hall, we go to the master suite, which has crown molding, chair rail, a walk-in closet, on-trend paint colors, large windows, and a fabulous master suite. We have granite-topped vanity, deep soaking corner bathtub with chrome fixtures, and a frameless shower with floor-to-ceiling tile and heated flooring. Just off the master suite are two other bedrooms. This one is the smaller of all the bedrooms with a large window, lovely double-door closets, and on-trend paint. We open all the closet doors so you can see inside during COVID for those buyers who are looking to buy a home sight unseen. Off the hallway is a linen closet, and this bedroom has beautiful blue paint, wainscoting, and another double door closet. So the main level has 3 bedrooms, and here's one of the 3 baths in the home. It's the smaller of the 3, and it's got a tub shower combination and convenient hooks for the family to hang their towels and pajamas. Again, back through the kitchen, which is lovely, open and bright, to the dining room, or it could be yet another sitting room. As we descend to the lower level, you can see the on-trend paint, one of my favorite colors, pewter, Revere pewter, and check out the painted brick fireplace, half wall of all chalkboard, built-in cabinets, shelving, a fireplace with a mantle. It's a great family room. Recessed lighting and hard surface flooring throughout this large recreation room. And off the rec room is a lovely large separate laundry room with washer dryer, cabinets, shelving, bench seating, and a mud sink. Below the bench seating are more storage cabinets. And just off the laundry room is a fabulous study, work from home, cabinets and drawers and lighting and hooks. Space for 3 or 4 children to do their homework or make it an office. It has an exterior door that goes out to the backyard. Back through the laundry room and back through the recreation room, we have 2 additional bedrooms on this level. This bedroom again has nice newer windows, wainscoting, hard surface flooring, paneled walls, and a sliding door closet. The lower level has a shower stall, lower level bathroom with a new countertop, mirror, and light fixtures, tile flooring, and a new toilet. And here's the second bedroom on the lower level, which also has an exterior door out to the backyard. A sliding door to closet and hard surface flooring. As we exit through that door, we have a surprise, not that you would expect. A shop area, storage area with tons of storage space. It's partially finished and an ideal space for storage in this home. And we also have under the stairs storage. Back up the stairs. We come up to the front door, a little niche in the foyer area, back through the kitchen. Back through the great room addition, and out the French door to the very spacious deck with stairs down to the yard. This is a fenced, huge, flat lot with a fabulous slate patio, fire pit, concrete patio, under the deck patio, playhouse, and one of the best, most fun features of this home is the treehouse, which has hosted many poker games for the men in the neighborhood and has been a delight to the children in this home and the neighborhood. Notice the big bay window in the back sunny great room addition. For more information on this home, please call me at 703-505-3898. This is Joan Stansfield. We'd be happy to show you this home. It will not last long. And we're going back up the stairs to the deck to give you an idea of, again, the space on the deck, the fabulous lot, and the yard, and back in to the best room in the house, the great room. Sunny, bright, so much natural light, wide open to the kitchen, the dining room, which is transitional and can serve as a living room or a dining room, as you have this additional eat-in area right off the kitchen. Thank you.